Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's Timed Edge. This is my second video back. It's Monday the 2nd of February. I'm just doing a quick trade breakdown of something I took this morning, live in Discord and on a stream. I will be resuming my YouTube streams, possibly tomorrow or Wednesday, and we're going to go from there. But let's start on the higher time frame. So we have a bearish daily profile, and that means that Friday was bearish, okay, but we woke up this morning, ignore what price is doing right now because it's live. Let's just go back to why I took a long and why I got out of it. Okay, so 8 o'clock in the morning, all assets have wicked below the previous day's low. Okay, so I want to see something to get back. If I'm looking for a short, I want to get back above the true day open, etc. So I'm looking for longs now. We get a daily cycle, 6-hour SMT, 6S takes the low. I then mark the lows of the 1 hour range, like always. Then I drop down to the M1 time frame. Okay, let's play price. You can clearly see we've got a single leg expansion, so we're going to have to wait for the next microcycle. So let's play price. Oh, I fast forwarded a bit too heavy, but this is the precision swing point. We get the sweep on the 15-minute. Bearing in mind we've already had the 1 hour sweep of the low. Now if we look here, 6S has also taken the 15-minute. Okay, so we're stacking confluences up. We're taking opposing liquidity to draw higher. I always trade 6E. This is the currency futures triad, 6B, 6E, 6S. My target was Asia range high, but I got out a bit early. I'm going to tell you exactly why I closed the position, but let's just focus on the entry right now. So why did I get in? Okay, so we had a micro. We wait for price to sweep the 15-minute low. Okay, XAMD on the 15-minute as well. Let's have a little look. We formed a range, so we're expecting accumulation. We're expecting manipulation in the following bar. We get a manipulation below the range low, right, on 6S. So therefore, I'm going down onto the M1. I'm looking for the fresh microcycle. We get that precision swing point. We've got a up close candle here and two bearish here. So that's divergence between 3 pairs, precision swing point. I entered here on a break above, stop loss, couple of ticks below. Okay, like that. My target was Asia range high up here. That was my initial target. Okay, so let's play price. I can see we're in this quite a long time. It started to chop around. So we're in this. I've moved by this. I'm at break even. We've formed a internal low, and it's traded above. I'm now break even here. I'm looking for this internal high and Asia range high. That's my draw of liquidity. But I am very aware of what we're doing in price. Okay, so what I mean by that is we're still in London at the moment. Let's play price. Price pushes up. Okay. Price begins to push up again. Okay, but we've got a fresh daily cycle. And bearing in mind, 6B has taken the opposing liquidity already. Right, if we were resting below this and 6B wasn't above, then I'd be looking to hold this. I would probably hold this a bit longer, right? I try my luck. but I'm confident that we're bearish overall on the high time frame. This was just I'm just fading this, fading the move, and I was looking for a short targets. Right, it's Monday. Monday is known for forming the expansion and the range. Okay, so we either expand or form the range. Sorry, and so the next bar happened here. I think I got out on this next one here. Yeah, this is where I exited. Right. The reason being is because I was 7 ticks off my high, and we have another valid daily cycle, right? So we've got an opposing daily cycle. So if you can see here, 6E has taken London high, while the other assets remain below. Okay, so we've got another crack, and our draw of liquidity then becomes this low, doesn't it? Because we've got a daily cycle here. So if we end up with another daily cycle on top, quarterly theory rules are that this should be the draw of liquidity. So I got out my trade. It was up here at the top. I think it was around here. Okay, so 4RR. That's not bad for a Monday, considering I've had 3 months off, and it's just nice to know the model works, and we're fading the mood anyway, right? And then we're going to let Monday set up. We've got news today, news for the whole week, so it should be a good week. Yeah, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop me down in the comments section, and I will get back to you. All right, thanks, Time Edge.